Science ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi gusto ko totohanan na boom!
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah.
So hi guys, my name is Katrina Mariel Cruz Samson from Group 5. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about the structure of the eye and the symptoms of the eye.
What's the most complex organ in the body? Some say it's the human eye, made of many working parts. The human eye functions much like a digital camera. Here's how it works. First, light enters the eye through the cornea, the clear front surface of the eye, which acts like a camera lens. Second, the iris works much like the diaphragm of a camera, controlling how much light reaches the back of the eye. It does this by automatically adjusting the size of the pupil, which, in this scenario, functions like a camera aperture. Third, the eye's crystalline lens sits just behind the pupil and acts like an autofocus camera lens, focusing on close and approaching objects. The eye's retina contains millions of tiny light-sensing nerve cells called rods and cones, which are named for their unique shapes. Cones are responsible for perceiving color and detail. Rods are responsible for night vision, peripheral or side vision, and detecting motion.
Another function of the eye is to produce tears. Tears are important in maintaining healthy eyes. Tears nourish and lubricate the surface of the eye, as well as wash away the debris.
The anatomy of the eye.
The eye has many parts that must work together to produce clear vision. The sclera, or white part of the eye, protects the eyeball. The pupil, or black dot at the center of the eye, is an opening through which light can enter the eye. The iris, or colored part of the eye, surrounds the pupil. It controls how much light enters the eye by changing the size of the pupil. The cornea, a clear window at the front of the eye, covers the iris and the pupil. Different eye diseases and disorders.
Red eyes. Your eyes look bloodshot. Why? Their surface is covered in blood vessels that expand when they're irritated or infected. That gives your eyes the red look.
Dry eyes. These happen when your eyes can't make enough good quality tears. You might feel like something is in your eye or it's like burning. Rarely, in severe cases, extreme dryness can lead to some loss of vision.
Color blindness. When you can see certain colors or can tell the difference between them, you may be colorblind. It happens when the color cells in your eye are absent or don't work. When it's moved severe, you can only see in shades of gray, but this is rare. Most people who have it are born with it, but you can get it later in life from certain drugs and diseases. Your doctor can tell you what's to blame.